One wrong decision can ruin years of hard work, while one right decision can change your entire life. But the problem is, we often make decisions either out of excitement, anger, or fear. This is called emotional hijacking. Decision making is a skill that comes from brain's prefrontal cortex and it can be trained. Today we will discuss the frameworks that help you make life-changing decisions. Hello, I am Dr. Anand Patil, consultant psychiatrist, de-addiction and relationship coach. The first rule to make better decisions is the 10-10-10 rule. Before making any decision, think about the impact of this decision in 10 minutes, in 10 months, and in 10 years. This technique takes you beyond temporary emotions and gives you a long-term perspective. The second framework is avoiding binary thinking. We often think there are only two options, yes and no. But in reality, there is always a third option. Expand your options to three alternatives. Also, never make a decision when in a halt state. H for hungry, A for angry, L for lonely, or T for tired. In these four states, your brain is not logical. When making relationship and career decisions, always analyze the worst case scenario. If you can handle the worst outcome, then move forward. As a coach, I always say that delaying decisions is also a decision, and it often leads to losses. So like and share this video with friends and family. Join our community by clicking the link in the description to access our emotional healing sessions.